Whitney Stuart, registered dietitian and diabetic educator, here today with Natural Delights Medjool dates to talk about ways you can incorporate their dates into a healthy, plant-based, and paleo lifestyle. Dietary modifications can be overwhelming at first. Finding new substitutes that work well and that are also nutritious can be a lot to handle. I love utilizing dates as a source of iron for my plant-based patients. They incorporate vitamin C and folate, making it even easier for those to absorb and help with their blood health and metabolism. Now, dates are also an extremely versatile option for baking. Whether you're cooking up a cake or a pie and need a good source of sweetener since you're not using sugar or honey anymore, it can be very versatile and giving you a nice sweet flavor to utilize in place of those other options. Now, dates are also very travel friendly. It's hard when we are looking for easy options on the go, and throwing them into a bag with some nuts or seeds is a great balanced snack to have on hand. During this time, as you're changing your diet and making modifications and feel overwhelmed, remember that there is always an option available. There's always a substitute, and that dates can be a great resource for you in that season.